The application of sophisticated behavioral insights, derived from location-based data, has the potential to unlock significant value for advertisers. This is particularly true for out-of-home where data-driven planning and dynamic activation can deliver material performance improvements. However, in rushing to embrace this opportunity, it is critical that the industry holds itself to the very highest data standards, as all that glitters isn't gold. We have never known so much about people, their behaviors and their travel patterns. The level of business intelligence and insight that can now go into planning a new campaign is incredible. But, in this world of geolocation data and analytics, the truth is that many providers have questionable data but glorious front-end visualizations that obscure the inadequacies of their data. Having spent 8 years working in sectors that use geodata, I worked for 4 years at Telstra, Australia's largest telecommunications company. I have seen all kinds of bogus claims based on highly over- and under-modeled behavioral segments, footfall analyses and attribution models. Let me be clear, this is certainly not true of all of the providers out there, but it is vital to look beyond the shiny user interface and moving vector pins to ratify the data and ensure it is robust and relevant for the specific needs of the location-based communications being planned. This relevance point is key. There is data that's good for some things and bad for others, and the trick is knowing which. Seldom is one data set good for everything. For example, let's imagine that we want to look at exposure to some outdoor advertising for a retailer and then see how many of the people exposed to it went into the relevant store. If your location data is derived from SDKs embedded in apps, then this simply won't give you the level of location accuracy to achieve that level of attribution and to infer a level of performance. When done right though, location data really works. Being able to ingest and use the right data sources to reveal the hidden geographic behavior of your most valuable customers and using this to inform what message is delivered, when and where, can produce some spectacular business results. This is a methodology that Posterscope has applied at scale over recent years, and we now have a body of evidence, not just of what works, but how it works. And we are seeing campaign performance uplifts of 25 to 30%. We apply 3 key rules when looking at location data that you may find useful. 1.